Let's change the ink on this HP Envy 4500. First, turn it on. Next, open the cover and then pull up on the side. That will expose the ink cartridges. Once you've opened the access door and the printer is fully on, that will then move over the cartridges. And they're very simple to pull out. You just pull up on this tab and they fall out. You can see right on there on the top, it tells you exactly what cartridge you need, 61. I like to make sure that the cartridges are the same size, just in case. Usually your new cartridge will have a little piece of tape over where the ink comes out, so you'll need to pull off that tape before you insert the cartridge. Now, just get your cartridge in, like that, push it back, and then push this tab down, and now your cartridge is locked in place. Now you can close the lid. And your printer will register that there has been new printer cartridges added. We're gonna just ignore that. Just click through all these messages. And now it's gonna print a test page just to make sure everything comes out okay with the new ink. Looking good. Now we need to scan it. And there you go. You've added ink to your HP Envy 4500. Questions or comments, put them below. Make sure to recycle your cartridges. Sometimes you can get a little bit money off of your next one. I'm not sure if they still do that, but a lot of places, office supply stores like Staples and places like that will take these old things. So thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video if it was helpful. I'll see you in the next one. And you can always check your ink levels here, just so you know if you're getting close.